These are real too.
Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine.
Chicken quesadilla.
Wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts be my refuge. I will be alright. Never could it right.
Hey y'all, good morning. We are up. It is about almost like 9 something. Let me show y'all something cool. So yesterday when Sky went to, it's a place called Del Sol. It's putty that turns from green to purple. And in the sun, that's exactly what it does. So it also comes with like a little light where she can shine over top of it. And it'll change the color too. It is very bright out here already. It's very hot out here already. It's actually fully turned now. So anyways, the waves are waving. The people are peopling downstairs. I think if I want to do the beach, I definitely will wait till it's like chill, which is like 5, 6 o'clock in the afternoon. So I don't know what we're going to do today. But being that it's only Tuesday, there are some other beaches that I want to explore, you know, but we shall see.
Color too.
That's what. Did that change color too? Then she also got like these color changing little bows.
Does it change color?
It's purple and pink, yep. Anyways, y'all can see out here. You ready to go back in and get myself finished? Getting dressed. Alright, let me show y'all my OOTD for today. It's just that orange and dress. Very much movement. Alligator heads. These are real too.
What?
These are real.
I know they are.
Feel how sharp the teeth are? Well, you're not supposed to smell the teeth.
I didn't smell it.
Real dead baby sharks. Alright, so in order to use this coupon right here, they're right here. $3.99 each. I'm gonna do this one and this one.
Remember I had this neighbor's I wish I still had it. So I can give you another one.
Purple Kia. Yeah. It's closed.
Oh, why?
Oh no.
Oh, look at here.
Look at the no. Oh, look at that cam. A big turtle. We'll go in and look. Come on. Aretha Franklin, Mariah Carey, Whitney Houston, Britney Spears,
Hey, boy.
Stop, Lionel Richie, Barbie, Ozzy Osbourne,
George Clinton.
That was a place I was looking at.
Oh, where?
The Baked Bear. Yep. Got another. I could have waited so we came here. The Del Sol.
Right here at Broadway and the beach. Come see the hottest
In here.
Special craving.
Go.
Pizza
In here.
colored craving. Only one
Yep.
thing will do. Extreme pizza.
That was cool. I met another fellow YouTuber. I'll put her YouTube here. I don't know who sings this song. So yeah, we were in Ice Cream Candy. Met another fellow YouTuber down here. Y'all go check her out. She says she's on and off again, but trying to be consistent. So definitely check it out, and I'll have it in my description box down below.
See, Daddy, look, rainbow bagel.
Got here, Alright, so we just recently tried this authentic Jamaican restaurant. We didn't actually like sit down and try the food. We just went in and ordered. So what I ordered, they have a lunch special, 2 for $25, y'all. I got the jerk chicken quesadilla that was supposed to come with fries, but it is what it is. And then I also got the curry chicken bowl, and it was supposed to come with a drink. I guess I didn't get that either. But then I also got cocoa bread, and I also did like a veggie plate where I got cabbage and the red beans and rice. And so yeah, that was like a good $50 spent on food, so that'll last me all evening and for dinner. So anyways, Charles is still in there getting his food. He got the large oxtails. I'll show you guys the food. We're gonna get ready to head back to the resort, and then you know, just chill for a little bit, because as you guys can see, it is raining. It started pouring down as we were in there, so I'm sure all the lotion on my little feet came off. We're gonna get the kids some McDonald's, and then I'm just gonna get a little bit of gas to last us for a few more days. No, I'm just waiting on Dad to come back. All right, so before we go back to the resort, really quickly, we stopped by Sugar Kingdom. We'll just walk in. I don't know, I might want a piece of candy or two. You never know.
This is sauce. Jerk chicken quesadilla. Oh, good. There's like some yellow cheese. Got some cocoa bread. Curry, cabbage, and rice. If I had known that, I wouldn't have got the extra. I didn't know. Cabbage. I like that it's bigger. Still soft. And warm.
I got beans and rice. Alright, let's try this curry. Oh yeah. Also got some, I guess this is like jerk chicken. Oh yeah. These little things are swell. Juice season something, cause
Juice season.
juice seasoned or something, cause I had to go get something.
It's jerk.
Ooh.
Spicy?
So yeah. So cheers to a good old drink. Now back to the food.
Yeah, mom, ain't good. Love it.
This food bomb. It's really good. I would give it a 10 out of 10.
20 out of 10.
10 out of 10. And be big as a house. I heard you.
That's a with you, man. I was wondering what it was gonna look up.
He said it's too late.
So apologize.
Yeah, that used to be the song. I said it's too late to apologize. It's too late. Yeah. Woo. That food was so good. Water looks so clear. You don't ever see too many boats out here either. I see like maybe one or two, but you never really see too many boats. Just had to go downstairs for that. She's like, it's probably the battery, and she'll send somebody up. It's like, this is annoying.
I'm trying to watch a video in peace. What is it?
Alright, y'all, so we figured out what it was. If you have the balcony door open, apparently the humidity is like up to here. So we just asked to keep the battery out. Anyways, we're gonna head to Duplin Winery and do the wine tasting. The Duplin Winery is adjacent to Barefoot Landing, and it's also located next to Alligator Adventure, and it's located across from an Olive Garden, just in case you guys get hungry after doing this wine tasting. The wine tasting per person is $16, and for $16, you get to get a glass, try out 6 to 8 different wines along with the wine slushy. You can also add like a charcuterie board on. You can also get a free slushy or a glass of wine after your wine tasting. While you wait, if you have to, you can search around inside of their building, and they have lots of things to offer, such as wine glasses, corkscrews, different types of their flavor wines, and then of course you can always shop for earrings, things for the home, things for gifts, and their like little concoction of salsa. As I mentioned before, you can get a coupon book, and it has $1 off in there for up to how many ever people in your party, which means that it makes it $15 per wine tasting. The wine tasting takes about anywhere from 20 to 45 minutes. Towards the end, you get to keep everything that's in front of you except for the wine glass. So we went over into this little booth here in this room, and this is what you get. You get a pin, a packet that tells you about the wine, and then a scorecard along with your glass of wine, some chips, basically tortilla chips, and then their salsa that they put together. So they use one of those jars that was in the previous clip along with some cream cheese and just mix it up and do it like that. At the wine tasting, you just drink what you want, and if you don't like it, you can always pour it into the get rid of jar.
It's all right.
So anyways, guys, we're looking at 9.5% on ABV. We're looking at 11% on sugar content.
It's her.
Oh, I sure did. I'm so sorry. You just yell at me next time.
Crazy about it.
Fair enough. If there were to chip you on more.
Yeah. You could have just gone on by.
Pina colada.
Yeah, or I'm also thinking soaking some pineapple in 151, putting it in the freezer and then putting it into like a glass of this. I don't think I would do like Malibu or any sort of like already sort of bread from. I think that would just make it overbearing.
Well, that was easy. That one was good.
Always prepared. It's going to be A+ grade grapes coming from all vineyards.
So at the end you get a free wine, or you can get a slushie. I got pina colada, I got Charles a blueberry mango or something like that, or a passion mango. We've been down there for a whole 10 minutes, girl. Hey, found some cool little stuff. And before my camera goes dead. What? So you put your shells in and your, I feel like this is from the, yeah, from the ocean.
That's sea moss.
Sea moss, alright. So then you just close it. Literally close it. Give it a good shake. You have an ocean in a jar. Whew. So only me and her wanted to get in the water. Look at them back there. Whew. Temperature out here is not too bad. kids some dinner because we still have leftover Caribbean, Jamaican food or whatever. So I think I'm gonna go downstairs and get them some food. So I got a coupon for $8 off 2 adult meals, or I'm just gonna get 2 kids meals. No biggie. My hair is as dry as they come. I can feel it, but I didn't want to wash it. All right, y'all, took a late night walk. Not really late night, but it is 8 o'clock and I'm in my pajamas, belly out and all like a crop top. But I'm heading over to this $10 pizza spot to get the kids some pizza. My food, got a shark week refresher, ordered 2 cheese pizzas, $10, so $20. Pizza. Well, it was definitely well worth the walk.